Good morning. Let us see the last question. In the last class, I gave some questions to you to solve the problems. I gave some questions to you to solve those questions. 3, 2, minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. Minus 1, 2, right? This is one question. Another question is there. First of all, how to multiply? Before going to multiply, let us write the order in rough. Order for this matrix is 3 rows are there, 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. For this matrix, order is 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns, right? These two will vanish, these two are same, these two are same, that's why matrix multiplication is possible. These two will vanish. Answer is 3 by 3 matrix. Answer is 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3 matrix. First row, second row, third. First column, second column, third column. Right? This is first row, first column. A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Right? A11, first row, first column. First row, first column. 2 into 1 plus 1 into minus 1. First row, second column, first row, second column. I am explaining the trick how to multiply. Okay. First row, second column. Here first row, here second column. 2 into 0 plus 1 into 2. First row, third column, first row, third column. 2 into 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Right? Next, second row, first column. Second row, first column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into minus 1. Okay. Second row, second column. Second row, second column. 3 into 0 plus 2 into 2. Second row, third column. Second row, third column. 3 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Third row, first column. Third row, first column. 1 in minus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1. 1 into minus 1. Next. Third row, second column. Third row, second column. Minus 1 into 0. 1 into 2. Next. Third row, third column. Here third row, here third column. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Okay, equals to simplification. Simplification you have to do. Yesterday I gave homework. Actually this question I gave you homework. You have to solve the problem. You might have faced any problem till this place. Next simplification I will do directly. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 minus 2, 1. 0 plus 4, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. Minus 1, minus 2. 0 plus 2 means 2. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Okay. Minus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1 plus 1 into 1, 1. Minus 1 plus 1, 0. Finally, you should get this answer. Okay. One more question I gave. I asked you to solve. So 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1, 3. Minus 1, 0, 2. Right? 2 minus 3, 1, 0. 2 minus 3, 1, 0. 3, 1. 3, 1. Okay. This we have to multiply. Next, transpose of the matrix concept is there, symmetric concept is there. Yeah. Next, elementary operation. Right, these two we have to multiply. First of all, we have to write the order. What is the order for this matrix? 2 rows, 3 columns. 2 rows, 3 columns. This one, 3 rows, 2 columns. 3 rows, 2 columns. So finally, what is the answer? For answer will be order 2 by 2 will come. For answer order is 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 rows, 2 columns. 2 rows, 2 columns. This is A11. A11, first row, first column. First row, first column. Okay? 3 into 2 plus minus 1 into 1 plus 3 into 3 over. Right? Next, first row, second column. A12, first row, second column. 3 into minus 3 minus 1 into 0 plus 3 into 1. Next, this one, second row, first column. Second row, first column, minus 1 into 2 plus 0 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Next, second row, second column. Second row, second column. Minus 1 into minus 3 plus 0 into 0 plus 2 into 1. Right? Equals to, simplify. 3 2s are 6, minus 1 plus 9. 3 into minus 3, minus 9 plus 0 plus 3. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 6. 3 plus 0 plus 2. 6 minus 1, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. Minus 9 plus 3, minus 6. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 plus 2, 5. This should be the answer. You should get that answer, right? Next question, let us see. Next question is, if capital A equals to, question number 4 actually, if capital A equals to 1 2 minus 3, 1 2 minus 3, 5 0 2, 1 minus 1 1, capital B equals to 3 minus 1 2, 4 2 5, 2 0 3, capital C equals to 4 1 2, 0 3 2, 1 minus 2 3. Then compute A plus B, B minus C, A plus B and B minus C. Also verify. A plus B minus C equals to A plus B minus C. Actually, I have to give this question homework. Consider it as homework only. Roughly I solve. Remaining problem you have to solve. Solution. A plus B, first of all we have to find. Matrix A plus matrix B. Matrix A plus matrix B. 1 plus 3 4. 2 minus 1 1. Minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. Next, 5 plus 4 9. 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 5 7. 1 plus 2 3. Minus 1 plus 0 minus 1. 1 plus 3 4. That's it. That is A plus B. B minus C, already we have solved this type of questions That's why I'm not solving in detail. You have to do this one. Simple questions these are. B minus C. B minus C. Subtraction. 3 minus 4 minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 0 4. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 5 minus 2 3. 2 minus 1 1. 0 minus of minus 2. 0 plus 2 2. 3 minus 3 0. This is B minus C. What we have to find? We have to verify that one. Okay, let us see what is LHS. LHS is A plus B minus C. What is A? In the question it is there. B minus C. B minus C we got here. Minus 1, minus 2, 0, that one. Okay. What is A? This one. What is B minus C? This one. We have to add both this one and this one. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 3 0. Minus 3. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. Minus 3 plus 0. Minus 3. 5 plus 4 9. 0 minus 1 minus 1. 2 plus 3 5. 1 plus 1 2. Minus 1 plus 2 1. 1 plus 0 1. Okay. Now let us see RHS. A plus B minus C. What is A plus B? It is here. Minus what is C? It is there. It is there. It is there. Equals to A plus B is here. Minus C is there. Okay. Subtraction. 4 minus 4 0. 1 minus 1 0. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. 9 minus 0 9. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 7 minus 2 5. 3 minus 1 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. Minus 1 minus of minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 1. 4 minus 3 1. Both are same. Therefore we have to write that one. Therefore A plus of B minus C equal to A plus B minus C. Right? Simple question. This you have to try. What we have to try? Almost I only did. Only these places you have to fill up. Next one. If capital A equals to, fifth question, if capital A equals to 2 by 3 1, 2 by 3 1, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, 7 by 3 2, 2 by 3, comma B equals to 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 2 by 5. Then compute 3a minus 5b. 3a minus 5b. Simple question. Just appearance is very big. Appearance is very big. My God, what are these fractions? How to do? Simple question. Just follow the procedure. That's it. 3a minus 5b. Let us find out first of all 3a. 3 into a. What is a? A is there. Multiply with 3 each and every element. 3 into 2 by 3. 3 into 2 by 3. Okay, now 2. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 5 by 3, 3 cancel 5. Everywhere denominator is 3. Get cancelled. Otherwise, best thing is take 1 by 3 common everywhere. You can do like that also. Okay. We are multiplying with 3 each element. 3 into 2 by 3, 2. 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 5 by 3, 5. 3 into 1 by 3, 1. 3 into 2 by 3, 2. 3 into 4 by 3, 4. Just multiplication. 3 into 1 by 3, 1. 3 into 2 by 3, 2. 3 into 4 by 3, 4. Okay. 3 into 7 by 3, 7. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2 by 3, 2. That is 3. 5b. 5 into b. Where is b? It is there. Multiply with 5. Every denominator is 5. All get cancelled. Only numerators will remain. 5 into 2 by 5, 2. 5 into 3 by 5, 3. 5 ones are 5. 5 into 1 by 5, 5 into 2 by 5, 5 into 4 by 5, 5 into 7 by 5, 5 into 6 by 5, 5 into 2 by 5. Okay? What is the question? 3a minus 5. 3a minus 5. What is 3a? Here it is. What is 5b? Here it is. Subtract. Subtraction you know? Yes? 2 minus 2, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. 7 minus 7, 0. 6 minus 6, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Null matrix we got. Null matrix. Right? Simple question. You no need to be panic after finding this question. My God, so many numbers are there. So many fractions are there. All are fractions only, almost. Simple. See how simple it is. Next, sixth one. Sixth one. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into. This question also you can do. Many questions you can do in this exercise. Minus sin theta, cos theta, sin theta. Right? Simple, 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 simple. Multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos theta into sin theta, cos theta into this one, cos theta into this one, sin theta into, sin theta into, sin theta into, sin theta. First, let us finish the multiplication. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta. Cos theta into sin theta, cos theta, sin theta. That's it. Cos theta into minus sin theta, minus cos theta, sin theta, or minus sin theta, cos theta. Both are same. Cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, plus sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. Sin theta into minus cos theta, minus cos theta, sin theta. Sin theta into cos theta, sin theta. Or sin theta, cos theta. Both are correct. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta. If you start solving, you will get. If you just keep on watching, you will watch. That's it. You start solving the problem once I write the question. Easiest one. Next, what is there? Adding cos square theta plus sin square theta. 1. Cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. Both get cancelled. It becomes 0. Cos theta sin theta plus into minus, minus cos theta sin theta. minus cos theta sin theta plus cos theta sin theta. Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Both got cancelled. This became 1 0 0 1. Identity matrix we got. Unit matrix, identity matrix we got. Next one, find x and y. Find capital X and capital Y. Find the matrices capital X and capital Y. Actually, it is not given like that. It is given find x and y. Means we have to find matrices only. Find the matrices x and y. It should be in the question. If first sub question, x plus y equals to 7025. X minus y equals to 3003. Okay. This question is like, from these two equations we have to find x and y. What is the matrix x, what is the matrix y, we have to find. Actually, we in simple algebra we used to solve the questions like this: x plus y equal to some 3, x minus y equal to some 4. How we used to solve the question, solving these two equations? Just adding both the equations, both got cancelled. X plus x to x, 3 plus 4, we have to add. These two also we have to add, right? Same like that here also. Same like that here also. But to bring the beauty to the problem, what I am doing? I am doing equation 1, equation 2, adding 1 and 2. I am doing adding 1 and 2. How I am adding is LHS of equation 1, LHS of equation 2 equals to RHS of equation 1, RHS of equation 2. Same like that here also I am going to call it as equation 1, equation 2, adding 1 and 2. Adding 1 and 2. Equation 1 LHS x plus y. Equation 2 LHS x minus y. Equation 1 RHS 7025. Equation 2 RHS 3003. Minus y plus y cancel. X plus x to x. Adding 7 plus 3 10, 0 plus 0 0, 2 plus 0 2, 5 plus 3 8. X equals to 2x equal to 7, x equal to 1 by 2 into 7. 7 by 2. Same like that. 2x equal to some matrix, x equal to 1 by 2 into 10, 0, 2, 8. Scalar multiplication again. X equal to, multiply with 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 10, 5. 1 by 2 into 0, 0. 1 by 2 into 2, 1. 1 by 2 into 8, 4. This is x. We have to find y. X value 7 by 2. How to find y value? Substitute x value somewhere, equation 1 or equation 2. Same thing here also we have to do. Equation 1 implies, what is equation 1? X plus y. X plus y equal to this one. In place of x, put this one. Equation 1 implies, in place of x, put this one. 5014 plus y equals to 7025. Okay, then we get y value. Y equal to, if you send this matrix, it becomes negative. 3 plus y E equals to 7. What is y equal to? 7 minus 3. Same like that. Y equals to, keep this as it is. Send this matrix that side, minus 5014. Y equal to 7 minus 5, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 minus 4, 1. They asked us to find x and y values. We got x and y values. Right? Now let us see second sub question. In this second sub question also we have to find x and y matrices. 2x plus 3y. 2, 3, 4, 0. 2, 3, 4, 0. 3x plus 2y. 2 minus 2 minus 1. 5. 5. Okay. Right. How to solve these type of questions? 2x plus 3y equal to, for example, some alpha is there. 3x plus 2y, 3x plus 2y, some beta is there. How to solve these two equations in general? We multiply first equation with 3. We multiply first equation with 3. We multiply second equation with 2. Why? To make x coefficients same. Equation 1 multiply with 2, multiply with 3. Equation 1 multiply with 3. Complete equation multiply with 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. 3 into alpha 3 alpha. Equation 2 multiply with 2. Equation 2 multiply with 2. 2 into 3 6. 2 2s are 4. 2 into beta 2 beta. X coefficient same. If we subtract, we get the answer easily. If we subtract, what happens? These two get cancelled. Same concept we have to apply here also. Call it as equation 1. Call it as equation 2. Equation 1 multiply with 3 on both sides. Multiply equation 1 with 3 on both sides. With 3 into 2x plus 3y equal to 3 into 2, 3, 4, 0. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 into 0, 0. Okay now? Right. Next what we have to do? Equation 2 multiply with 2. Multiply equation 2. Multiply equation 2 with 2 on both sides. On both sides, right? Equation 2 multiply with 2 on both sides. 2 into 3x plus 2y equal to 2 into 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 into minus 2 minus 4, 2 into minus 1 minus 2, 2 into 5 10. Okay, call it as equation 4. Solving equation 3 and 4. Subtracting like this, subtracting. If you subtract, 6x get cancelled. So equation 3 minus 4. Equation 3 minus 4 implies equation 3 LHS minus 4. Equation 4 LHS equals to equation 3 RHS 12 0 minus equation 4 RHS 4 minus 4 minus 2 10 minus 2 10. It becomes 6x plus 9y minus into 6x minus 6x minus into plus minus 4y. Simple subtraction, you have to do this one. Simple subtraction, this one. We did so many questions. 6 minus 4 2, 9 minus of minus 3, 9 plus 3 13, 12 minus of minus 2, 12 plus 2 14, 0 minus 10 minus 10, minus 6x plus 6x got cancelled. 9y minus 4y is 5y equals to 2 13 14 minus 10. Y equals to 5 will go that side, 1 by 5, 2 13 14 minus 10. What we have to do is this value, y value, we have to substitute either in equation 1 or in equation 2. Then we get x value. Okay, a bit lengthy simplification. Multiply with 1 by 5 implies y equals to 1 by 5 into 2, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 into 13, 13 by 5, 14 by 5, minus 10 by 5. Minus 10 by 5 is nothing but minus 2. Minus 10 by 5 is nothing but minus 2. Okay, now minus 2, okay, minus 2, right? This is y value. Substitute y value in equation 1 or 2. I think 1 is very simple. We have negative signs are there. Why to take headache? So equation 1 implies equation 1 2x plus 3 into what is y value 2 by 5. 2 by 5 13 by 5 14 by 5 minus 2 equals to 2x plus 3, y value we substituted equals to 2340. 2340. Simple multiplication. Then sending this term, sending this complete matrix that side. Subtraction. Then 2 will go that side. Multiplication. 1 by 2 into something. So 2x plus 3 2s are 6. 3 13s are 39. Okay, now equals to, I multiply with 3, that's it. Every element I multiply with 3. 3 to the 6 by 5. 3 13s are 13, 3s are 39 by 5. 3 14, 14 3s are 42 by 5. 3 into minus 2 minus 6. 2 3 4 0. Send this complete matrix that side. 2x equals to, keep that matrix as it is, minus 6 by 5, 39 by 5, 42 by 5, minus 6. Okay. Two x equals to 2 minus 6 by 5. 2 minus 6 by 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 6. It is 4 by 5. 3 minus 39 by 5. 5 3s are 15 minus 39 by 5. Minus 24 by 5. Okay, now simple lower class concepts, those are LCM concepts. Minus 24 by 5. 4 minus 42 by 5. 5 4s are 20 minus 42 by 5 minus 22 by 5. 0 minus of minus 6, 0 plus 6, nothing but 6. Right? Send this to that side, it becomes 1 by 2. Multiply. X equals to 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. 1 by 2 into 4 by 5. 2 ones are 2 twos are. 2 by 5 it is. 1 by 2 into minus 24 by 5. May I do here only 2 ones are 2 12s are. Minus 12 by 5. If you have any doubt, you try like that in rough. It's not a big difficult question, very simple. 1 by 2 into minus 22 by 5. 2 ones are 2 11s are. 1 by 2 into 6. 3. X and Y values we got. Okay. Right. One question you try. Find x. Find x if y equals to 3 2 1 4 and 2x plus y equals to 1 0 minus 3 2. You try this question, just substituting y value and simplification. In the next class I will solve this one, right?